Hi everyone, this is Padmapriya from Department of Information Technology in SNS College of Technology. I am going to tell the clear video about the storytelling of roadmap of SNS institution for our students for creating the future mindset. And the first thing, the beginning of this video is chaos to challenge. Generally, students in early college days, they are confused, overwhelmed, facing academic and career uncertainty. The second thing they are struggling is symbolic visuals. Stormy sky, scattered notes, crowded classroom, frustrations on faces. So voiceover of this concept is every beginning feels uncertain. There is chaos, confusion, frustrations. So question arises here is, where do I start? What is my path is the student's questions. At SNS, we understand this phase because every great story begins with a challenge. The concept of this beginning chaos to challenge is foundation starts with recognizing chaos and turning it into a challenge. The second thing is the foundation, common man to design thinkers. The students learning in traditional way, that is common man and business. A mentor introducing design thinking here. So the students ideating with sticky notes, sketches and prototypes. Visual metaphor means light bulb glowing as ideas form. This is the common man's design traditional way to design thinking way. So the voiceover of this concept is, from the common approach we move towards a new way of thinking, human-centered, creative and logical. So here the design thinking becomes our compass guiding us from friction to innovation. So it's not just about answers, it is about understanding problems deeply. So the concept of this foundation common man to design thinkers is, this phase teaches that innovation starts when students adopt human-centered design thinking. The third one is building the framework and culture. This is the third scenario for facing struggles to our students. The visuals of this concept is the students collaborating in teams. It is 3P cultures. 3P culture is nothing but the purpose, process and people. This is classroom energy, discussion, mentorship sessions are also comes under this scenario. So graphics showing 3C framework, that is attitude, logic, technique, and 5 pillars also here we are going to follow. That is nothing but learn, upskill, innovate, network and spine. Students doing sports, hobbies, wellness sessions, that is spine clubs. So the voiceover of this session is, to turn ideas into action we need structure. The structure is nothing but a framework and culture that supports growth. At SNS, our 3P cultures connects purpose, process and people. The 3C framework sharpens our attitude, logic and technique. So the concept of this scenario is, the space builds internal state, that is skills, teamwork and balanced growth. This is the concept of building the framework and culture. The next thing is growth and innovation. It is nothing but students working in innovation labs and 15 industry clubs, that is innovation 7+7 vertices here follows. That is in 7+7 vertices, the students works 15 industry clubs with Gen AI workshops, that is AI driven projects, coding and virtual simulations. Certified talents clips, students receiving certification in IT, business engineering and health. Quick interviews or next overlays, that is nothing but I built my first AI project here. This is the scenario for the growth and innovation. The voiceover of this concept is, each learner becomes a certified talent ready for the industries of tomorrow. The concept of this scenario, students move from learning to innovation, that's hands-on, AI-powered, industry link. This is the innovation thing. The smart OKR. Students setting and tracking smart OKR goals. Projects evolving into startups, hackathons and showcases. Excellence moments is followed. That is nothing but awards, prototypes and presentations. It is here 1000 AI startup visuals, timeline animation leading into a 10-year vision of the SNS institution. Ending with students writing growth mindset on a wall or digital board. This is the visuals of this smart OKR, and the voiceover of this concept is, at SNS, our smart OKR goals gamifying success, turning progress into play. Every learner moves from achievements to excellence, from idea to impact. With a 10-year mission to launch 1000 AI startups and growth mindset driving every challenge. SNS is not just shaping careers, it's shaping change makers. This is the concept of the smart OKR. And the last thing, that's nothing but the vision of the SNS, that is from chaos to creation. Montage of this thing is, Students across all stages learning, building and celebrating. Drones shot of SNS campus, sunrise turning into bright daylight. The logo animation of this SNS is SNS roadmap from chaos to creation. The voiceover of the concept is with design thinking and AI as our guiding lights. The journey from learner to leader is not a dream, it is achievable. So the concept of this thing is gradual orchestral rise, emotional close, fade to silence with SNS logo. So this is the summary of the roadmap of SNS institution. I hope this will help to creating our future generation students. So thank you all.